Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, your go-to channel for everything diabetes related. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's revolutionizing diabetes management, technology. From smart devices to groundbreaking medical advancements, let's explore the latest innovations making life with diabetes easier and more manageable. First up, continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs. These small, wearable devices have transformed how people with diabetes track their blood glucose levels. Unlike traditional fingerstick tests, CGMs provide real-time glucose readings throughout the day and night. Brands like Dexcom Medtronic and Abbott's Freestyle Libre are leading the way with sensors that can be worn for up to 2 weeks, providing continuous data to help users make informed decisions about their health. Next, let's talk about insulin delivery. Insulin pumps have become more advanced, offering features like automated insulin delivery based on CGM readings. Tandem's T, X2 and Medtronic's Minim 670G are popular options. For those who prefer injections, smart insulin pens like NovoPen 6 and InPen provide detailed dosage tracking and reminders, helping to ensure precise and timely insulin administration. One of the most exciting advancements is the development of artificial pancreas systems. These hybrid closed-loop systems automatically adjust insulin delivery based on real-time glucose levels, significantly reducing the burden of diabetes management. The FDA has approved several of these systems, with more in development, bringing us closer to fully automated diabetes care. Mobile apps and digital health platforms are also playing a crucial role in diabetes management. Apps like MySugar, Glucose Buddy, and Glucose Sync with CGMs, insulin pumps, and smart pens to provide comprehensive data tracking. These platforms offer personalized insights, reminders, and the ability to share data with healthcare providers, making it easier than ever to manage diabetes effectively. The rise of telemedicine has brought healthcare directly to our homes. Remote monitoring tools and virtual consultations allow patients to stay connected with their healthcare teams without frequent in-person visits. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, as regular monitoring and timely adjustments are key to effective management. Technology is revolutionizing diabetes care, making it easier, more efficient, and more personalized. These innovations are not just improving the quality of life for people with diabetes, but are also paving the way for a future where managing diabetes becomes simpler and more intuitive. Thank you for watching ZeroDiabetes Zone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates and tips on managing diabetes effectively. Together, we can make living with diabetes a bit easier, one innovation at a time.